How to allow only admin to send messages in Messenger group. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the group chat where you want to allow only admin to send message. Then click on the group chat name at the top, which will lead you to this page. In here, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find Message Permissions and click on Message Permissions. After you click on it, you'll find Allow Message Sharing. Simply turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to only allow admin to send messages in Messenger group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.